what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you know what today is. That's the reason why you clicked on this video. This is another entry for now our third Silhouette Cameo 3 giveaway in the last 3 weeks. Pretty amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you first what you can do with the Silhouette Cameo, and I have an entire tutorial video linked below here as well. I'll put it at the end of this video as well. But I want to show you how easy it is to make money with this Silhouette Cameo. Even if you're a big business, even if you don't do vinyl yet, I want to show you how easy it is to make money with this Silhouette Cameo as an extra cutter, even if you have a big cutter, or all of you crafters out there, how to make money with the Cameo as it is. So what's really, really awesome about this is we can now get all of the designs that we're going to show you right here for 80% off. Just because you're watching this video, you're going to use this coupon code right here. Now, to enter the contest for a chance to win the Silhouette Cameo 3, you don't even have to purchase anything on our site. Anybody can enter. Here's what you need to do. You need to comment on this video. Let us know what you think of the vinyl car decals and the process I'm about to show you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. So 3 different entries. Subscribe to YouTube, like the video, comment on this video. 3 entries. We are going to pick a winner on Wednesday, okay? Sunday right now. We're going to pick a winner on Wednesday. Now, Wednesday is January 31st, 2018. If you're watching this video after this giveaway was already done, you can still use the 80% off. You're still going to learn something, and we're going to still give away more cameos this year, so make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel anyway. So, I want to show you how easy it is to use this Silhouette Cameo 3 right here and create a real quick design. Then we're going to cut the design, we're going to weed the design, I'm going to show you all the margins, and we're going to do it quick, but make sure, subscribe, like, and comment. Those are your 3 entries into this amazing contest. Alright, so we got the Silhouette Designer Edition software here, and we're going to go ahead and import the SVG file if we use this coupon code on the site to get these actual SVG designs. I'm going to type out the mascot name. I got Mustangs here. We're going to throw hockey on the bottom. Now, our size for this design, we want to be around 5 to 5.5 inches. So I'm going to grab my ellipse tool. I'm going to put this text on the path there so it rounds around it. We're going to go ahead and fix our spacing a little bit. Add the number 20 and position right wing and get this all arranged. Now, everything I'm doing here is just based off the SVG file. So, all of this stuff you can do with this Cameo that we're giving away, and then you'll just need the Silhouette Designer Edition software to do a little more editing like we're doing here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 of these with this order. So we're going to make them both. You can see our red cut lines to make sure it's going to actually send it to the cutter to see those paths. Now I'm getting the Silhouette Cameo ready here. So you can see it working through our design here. Now I'm using my white intermediate sign vinyl. I'm going to go ahead and unload this, and we're going to weed it. So now that it's weeded, we're going to pick out our inside cavities, and now we have 2 vinyl car decals that we can sell for $10 a piece. Throw my clear application tape on to make them look good, and we are all done. Alright, so there we go. Here is our finished vinyl car decal that we just cut with our Silhouette Cameo 3. We used the Designer Edition software, and then we used the coupon code for 80% off these designs that you're getting for watching this video right here. So there's a link right below the video to get the 80% off, but remember, the main reason you came to watch this video today here on the Rhinestone World YouTube channel was a chance to win a free Silhouette Cameo 3 like that guy right there. So, remember, comment below, let us know what you think, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Those will be your 3 ways to enter. We'll pick one of those ways to pick the winner. And I want to show you real quick how much money you can make on these vinyl car decals as well. So let's look at these crazy numbers. 5.25 by 5.5 inch decal. We got 11 cents in cost with a $10 hour employee. We're going to do 100 decals for the fundraiser. Give them a 50% discount. So $5 a decal. We got a $500 order price. $44.33 in material costs, and your business is going to make $455.67 on this order. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Like I said, that's how I started my entire company, with vinyl card decals just like this. The margins are enormous. So, chance at winning a free Silhouette Cameo to start your business or expand your business. Subscribe, like, and comment. And, of course, use the coupon code right here. That's going to bring you to the website to get 80% off these actual designs. We like to teach you guys, we like to share information, we like to help you, we like to give things away, and we like to teach you the business. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, and one of you will win a brand new Silhouette Cameo 3. But thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, because we're going to be giving away many more Cameo 3s this year in 2018. We'll see you, crew.